Hello. So recently I got a query regarding Google Ads. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started on this. So Google Ads search campaign ad group showing 11 conversions, but keyword level shows only 3 to 4. Why? Hi Ali, hello. I'm struggling with the conversion attribution mismatch in a search campaign, and I love expert input. Here's what I'm seeing. At the campaign level, I see 11 conversions. At the ad group level, in 11 conversions, but at the keyword level, only 3 to 4 conversions are showing, not 11. For example, ad group 1 is equal to 3 conversions near me, ad group A is equal to 8 conversions, total 11. So, but when I drill into keywords, conversions disappear to drop to 3 or 4. Things I check search terms report. Don't show all conversions, no dynamic search ads in this campaign, no duplicate conversion events. Column include conversions, all conversion value. My question is, why would conversion show at ad group level but not at the keyword level? Could this be due to broad match, smart bidding attribution, hidden low search volume terms, call extension conversions not mapped to keywords? If you have seen this before, how did you confirm where conversions are actually coming from? Any advice, troubleshooting steps, or explanation would be awesome. Thank you. Okay, so I basically got the question. Let me show you one of the Google Ads account so that everyone have an idea. For instance, if we move on to the campaigns tab, and let's say this is just one of the accounts example as well, and where we see, let's say, for in this campaign we see, let's say if I open it and I see, my conversions over here at this, but actually when I look around on the keywords, I do not see my 18,000 conversions over there. If I count them, I see that not all of the conversions are being mentioned over here, uh, and you are not able to figure it out, because you say that sometimes it happens like, you see 18,000, are keyword conversions are coming from your keywords but not from other places. So sometimes the confusion can occur, like you have explained over here. We cannot see all of the conversions being shown over here. So why this happens is basically, the simple answer is, if you are using Google search partners along with your campaign, so the campaigns conversions you get from search partners are not being included in the keyword section. And the other reason could be, I know this, so call assets conversion. So the other is call asset conversion. So if you have enabled, for instance, they have not enabled it, but I'm saying it. Let's say if a campaign has the search part is enabled, then this situation has arrived. And why? Because the Google do not count the search partner conversions and give credits to over there. So you can see now this is the search partners over here. So for those conversions, this is not being mentioned. And if you are using call assets in your ads, this can also happen. This can also happen with it. So that can be another reason as well. So let's say they are not using call assets, but let me see if they are using it or no. Okay, just a second. So you can verify your assets library to see your assets which are being used over here, and if you see around over here, they are not much using it. But if you are using it, either of them, these are, you can see they are using this one, another one. But in case for any other client, if they are using around, I can show you for this campaign as well. You can see around over here. If I look around on the assets, you can see the other assets like this side extension or other extensions, and if there are any call asset extensions, and the conversions are done from that are not usually recorded. You not need to be worried for this, and they are coming from your partner. So yeah, you are fine with this. But if anyone needs a professional with the Google Ads audit network management services, don't forget to hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are known as Google Partners, and our company name is Aarswebs.com, and we help clients with Google Ads audit, setup, and management. So, I hope you like this video, and we look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.